A lot of videos talk about Bitcoin becoming the new currency, going to replace the dollar. That's never going to happen. Okay, never going to happen unless the government forces it on us. It's the only way things like that happen. Government interferes and says, no, no more dollars, only Bitcoin. But until then, Bitcoin will never replace the dollar. And this is why. It fluctuates too much. Say you're dealing now in Bitcoins and not dollars. You drive to the store to buy a 6-pack of beer or a bottle of wine and some potato chips, like I do. You got your Bitcoin on your cell phone. You get to the store only to find out now that your Bitcoin has dropped 1,000%. You can't buy anything with the Bitcoin you have. So you have to go back home without the 6-pack or the bottle of wine, potato chips, and cigars. No, you got to wait for it to go back up. People don't want that. They want a stable medium of exchange. They want their dollar to buy a pack of cigarettes. Well, a dollar won't get it anymore. But their $20 to buy a pack of cigarettes when they get to the store. They don't want any surprises, even if it goes up. So this is a reason why Bitcoin will never become money. It has absolutely no stability. And if it ever did achieve stability like the dollar, what's the point of changing? It's a waste of time and money to change from dollars to Bitcoins, when effectively it's just doing the same thing. So that's why Bitcoin will never become a medium of exchange.